Hi guys, I'm Lenny and I'm here to help you complete those 50 things to do before you're 11 3/4.
Yep, the 50 Things booklet is jam-packed with, 50 adventures for you to do at school, in the garden or at your local National Trust property. Here are some of our favourites in Wales.
Make a glass trumpet! Chwilio am fossils. We found tons of crabs! Find a geocache! Whoa! Basically, geocaches are these tiny boxes that everybody's hid all over the world, and our mission is to find them.
That way?
Yeah, let's go. Planwch e. Tyfwch e. Bwytwch e.
Ready, go!
It was really fun. We were all going really fast. We were going so fast, in fact, that we were all rolling over each other.
Next up, one of my favourites. Find some frog spawn.
The best place to find frog spawn is near something wet like a stream,
Or a pond in a park.
or a slow-moving river.
When you finish a challenge, don't forget to tick it off with a sticker. Set up a snail race! My name's Liam and this is my pet snail Gary.
The first snail to the outside ring wins. Go!
So, are you up for the challenge? How many can you tick off? Make your own cool profile at 50things.org.uk, and to visit your closest National Trust property here in Wales, visit nationaltrust.org.uk/Wales.